Hey y'all, uh, I live in Florida. It's my house. You might notice I'm looking a little tired this morning. That's because I just woke up. I ain't even had my coffee yet. But I come outside, everything's froze over. Look. Everything's froze over. I gotta be real careful. I see my wife's boot prints out here. Look at this. Look. Y'all, it's cold. It's cold in Florida today. Last time I was out, Qmacyo, I was a much younger man. There was actual snow on the ground. Yo, this ain't right. This is Florida. There's a reason. There's an absolute reason I stay in the sunshine. Now, don't get me wrong. I like it when it's warm. No, when it's cool. I like it when it's cool. But y'all got to understand something. Florida people don't have long sleeves. It's not something we got. We don't have long johns or thermal underwear. No, we got short. I got some jeans on. But as far as any cold weather stuff, it's not in her closets. So I'm going to ask that the governor put a state of emergency on the state. That's right, I said it. Put a state of emergency on this state. Ain't nobody know how to deal with all this. We ain't got no, give us a Cat 5 hurricane, we'll sit out on the front porch and watch trees fly by. We're fine with that. Give us some ice on our cars? Hell no. It's a bit much, y'all. I don't know if I can stand it. I can't even see my own breath. It's that cold. On the upside, there ain't a cloud in the sky. Look at that. That's beautiful. What that also means is that we ain't taking no photos today. All right, y'all. Well, that's about it, I guess. There's ice everywhere. This is gonna take me some time. Me and the boys got to go get some breakfast at some point. Maybe we'll see you there. Hey, remember, it's cold. Bundle up. Get some warmth together. But just try not to fart too hard.